Hello. Is this better? Quality's better? Do you hear me better? ASMR. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making whole wheat dumplings. Let's go.
For our dumpling fillings, we're going to make shrimp and beef fillings. Starting with the shrimp filling, first lay the peeled and deveined shrimp on a chopping board. Then chop and mince your shrimp to a paste. I like mine with some shrimp chunks, but chop it to the consistency of your preference. Next, we're going to chop and mince the rest of the ingredients for the fillings. Make sure to wash them. Starting with the spring onion, we're going to first chop the white ends off and mince them real well. We'll chop up the green ends and save it for the dipping sauce later. Next up, chop your cilantro. For the ginger, we first have to peel it. You can do so with the sharp end of the knife or with a spoon. Then we mince away. Next up, we are going to peel the garlic and then mince it. And finally, just dice half an onion. Now let's make the filling. For the beef, we need cilantro, garlic, ginger, and extra ginger and garlic if you like it. And finally, your onion. We're going to season the filling with sesame oil, soy sauce, and black pepper. Now mix it real well. For the shrimp, we just need the white ends of the spring onion. For the leftover ingredients, we will be using it for the dipping sauce. Then we add some soy sauce, mirin, and black pepper. Now mix everything together. I almost forgot, but add in your cornstarch and mix. Now let's get our station ready to make the dumplings. To make the dough, first pour in some flour into a large bowl. Then add in some hot water and mix. Finally, add in your cold water and mix. It's important to get the consistency right, so add in more flour if it's too sticky, and if the dough is too dry, add in more water. Lay out some flour onto the surface you will be working on. Now move the dough from the bowl to the floured surface and continue kneading. After the dough is ready, let's just grab a chunk to work with. You'll want to roll this smaller chunk into a log. Now chop up that log into tinier pieces. Grab a tiny piece and roll it out into a thin circle. This will be your dumpling skin. Fill your skin with the filling, and then we fold it in half, and then we fold it to shape it into a dumpling. Ta-da! Here's a close-up. So we first roll and turn until it's shaped like a thin circle. Fill it up. Fold in half. And pinch and fold like so. Finally, pinch to make sure it's sealed. Folding dumplings take practice. The more you practice, the better your dumplings will end up looking. Once we have our dumplings folded, let's move it to the stove. First, add your oil to your pan. I added a little too much, so I'm gonna wipe it off. Then add in your dumpling on the greased pan. Pour in some water. Cover and let it cook for 7 to 10 minutes. The water should be evaporated by then. Thick. Mix soy sauce, sesame oil, chili oil, and leftover ingredients for the dipping sauce. Taste test time. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.